Alright guys, today we're going to be testing out the EverCross H5. We're going to test out the seat. I've never used the seat before. And then I'm going to change the camera angle a little bit. I'm going to use the head cam instead of the chest cam because I want to give you a view of what it looks like when you're sitting on the seat. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to see. I'm not a big fan of the seat, but Ivy likes it. So you know, when he rides this thing, he uses it all the time. I've never used it. I've never tried it. So we're going to give it a shot. Maybe if I do my range test with this, I will use it. Because yeah, this thing, the standover height isn't that good. It's too low. Yeah, I think it's actually designed for the seat. So when you stand on it, you're standing way above the bars, which I don't like. I don't like that feeling. So let's just give it a shot and see how it rolls. Alrighty, let's do it. Let me put it in the third. You know, this is a real nice display, but it sucks when the sun hits it. The sun hits it, you can't see anything. So, alright, let's just go. Okay, so hey, yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Okay, I'm digging this. Oh yeah, no wonder Ivy likes it. Oh yeah. Let me grab my timer. But the speedometer does work. And so this app, the speedometer app, it only runs on the GPS. You don't need data on your phone for these things to work. So you can use some old phone to run these apps. Yeah, you can use an old phone to run these GPS apps because it doesn't use data. It just uses the GPS signal from the phone. So as long as your phone has GPS, as long as it's new enough to have that, you can use these phones. And I'm telling you, I really like this chair, man. Wow. Holy cow, this is pretty neat. Oh, this thing it's way more comfortable with this chair riding this thing than standing. You know, I made a bunch of videos with this thing riding it standing, and it's not that good. You know, it's not that good as a stand-up scooter, but sitting down, this thing's really nice. Boy, am I impressed. Wow. What a difference. Definitely, this is the way to go with this thing. Now, I bought one of those seats for the high boy. I bought a seat for that thing. So I didn't put the Relive app on or anything like that. I'm just shooting around here just to try out this seat. First time ever. Wow. This is cool. Man, I like this. I was doing 26. That's about the top speed on this, on the speedometer. I was going pretty fast, I could tell. This thing here said I was only doing 22, but it seemed like I was going a little faster than that. Oh, this is definitely the way to ride this thing, no doubt. No doubt. Okay, so I'll be taking this on the trail myself. Leave Ivy behind. Oh yeah. You know, I mean, even Ivy gets 20 miles on this thing, so you could imagine what I would get on this. So I might do a long range test this week because I'm taking off a few days. And I got the Mantis 8 coming, so I'm going to be riding that. And then I'm going to ride the, and then maybe I'll take this out to the trail and give this a little long ride, see what I can get out of this. Yeah, this is definitely a nice riding deal here. I think Ivy's been holding out on me, not telling me how nice it was. I'm just testing out the turn signals. I don't even know if they work, to be honest with you. Let's check it out. Yeah, they work. Can you see them from the back? Yes. Okay. All right. Yeah, looks great. It's really nice with the seat. Wow. Let's check the other one. It works. This thing has some real nice lights on it, guys. I'll do a little night ride on it here coming up. I'm going to show you how nice these lights look. I mean, it has like a light show going on with this thing. So, yeah. This thing's really nice. Yeah, this thing's been beat around a lot already, you know. I mean, we use it all the time. I mean, it takes a beating, this thing. This thing takes a good beating. Oh, yeah, you could do wheelies with it too, see? See? I don't know if I could ride a wheelie or not, but you can get a wheelie on it. You start out in third gear, you're going up. Let's check the speed out in the first. Yeah, the first gear I think is only like 9 miles an hour. It is. You go up to speed 2, that's like 15, 17. That's good for the trail right there. That's all you need for the trail is speed 2. This has an 800-watt motor in it. Oh, let me go see Charlie. He sees me now. I'll go get a snuggle. What, Charlie? You want to ride the scooter and snuggle? Snuggle on the scooter. This poor baby. Don't cry. You're snuggling. No need to cry. You got something in your eye, Charlie. Let me get that out of there. Wipe that off. Okay, so in the second gear, it doesn't pop a wheel stand either. So the third gear is going to pop a wheelie if you floor it. Wow. I just can't get over how nice this thing rides with this seat. It's so much better than standing. Okay, so now I'm going to have to break that seat out for the high boy. Because I bought it like 3 weeks ago and it's just sitting in the box. And they even sent me High Boy even sent me an email. Hey, how you like the seat? Give us a comment. I haven't opened the box yet. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take this out to the trail next weekend. This is Sunday, by the way, August 1st. So, you know, I make these videos and a lot of times I don't post them for months, but this is August 1st, 2021. Oh yeah, this thing rides so nice with this chair. Wow. Holy tamale. Okay, I'm gonna make one more loop around and that's it. It steers so much nicer with the sitting on the chair too, guys. You know, the steering is so much more maneuverable with the chair. Just seems like you have much more control. Oh, my battery died in the phone. I had just charged it up, so I just put a little bit of charge in it to get it to do this, but it didn't hang. Guy blew his horn, threw me into some gravel there. I wasn't expecting him to do that. All right, guys, I'm taking off, man. I'll talk to you later.